CNC, nigga. Real nigga shit. Niggas wanna say that shit. I talk niggas that real quick. You niggas keep on talking shit. You niggas ain't gon' feel it. I'm the best I ever was. That shit you didn't done. Niggas keep on talking shit. I'm laughing at you. I'm having fun. Got a gun raised up in the eye. Make the lazy eye. Fucking cry. I'm a real ass nigga the day I die. Niggas just keep on asking why you see me on Twitter. You see me on Facebook. But guess what? I'm in the face. Don't we take a second look. I ain't see y'all, but I bring the pain. Niggas say I got that game. If you keep on talking, know my words are never fucking slang. Game banging till I die. Niggas see it in my eye. Bitch ass nigga, why the fuck you wanna cry? I'm a gangster nigga on the shit. I don't really give a shit. Fight you niggas like a bitch. You niggas so ridiculous. I'm so fucking real when it comes to getting bills. If you niggas keep on talking, then I make you niggas feel. You will have a thrill like you want a fucking roller coaster. Only thing that your body's going under like a fucking shoulder. Ride you in my black curve, pull you up on black car. If that's what you talking about, I'm the next movie star. They told me low it down, so I had to bring the pain. They call me AC, don't you know my fucking name? Yes, I used to be the threat, now I used to be the game. Now y'all niggas still talking about the same damn thing. Nigga, change the game up, nigga, better yet, upgrade. I'm that nigga still laying in the bed and getting paid. Niggas getting money, but you niggas looking funny. If you keep on talking shit, I play you like a Playboy bunny. Niggas are holy, you got them, you got bitches, you got this. I'm the real ass nigga, so you know that I'm the shit. Long hair, don't care, real up in my fucking mouth. Nigga, walk it out with polo boots while you niggas still at the house. Nigga, hey, I'm the nigga, I do this shit. I love getting money, that's why you niggas get sick. You look at me, say in 2012, but in 2013, oh hell, you niggas is sick. You look like a bitch. You talking that money, but my shit come quick. You niggas look sick. You know you a bitch. And HD and with that fuck shit. I'm be the realest niggas. If y'all niggas wanna bring that pain, they call me HD. Yes, I know I'm not too chain. I love this spin. I love they getting money. That's all I'm winning. If you niggas keep on talking, yes, I'm your competition. Put me in the booth, nigga. Let me fucking go off. I don't need no mic, cut my voice is like a sawed off. Letting niggas aim it, letting niggas have it. Keep on talking shit. I had your ass eating cabbage. Vegetarian niggas, cause I don't eat pork. I'm the realest ass nigga. Did you see your eating sport? They said running nigga down, cause I ran in 7 miles. If you niggas keep on talking, don't make this